Most 35-foot center consoles ask you to choose: fish hard or stay the weekend. The Boston Whaler 350 Realm refuses to pick a side. Built by Boston Whaler in Edgewater, Florida, a name founded in 1958 on a single idea: an unsinkable boat. The Realm carries that same foam core hull, scaled to 35 feet of offshore platform, triple Mercury outboards on the transom, up to 1,200 horsepower combined, top end of 50 knots, cruise comfortable at 28, 385 gallons of fuel for the long run, drawing on a deep V offshore entry, 35 feet 6 inches overall, 10 foot 10 beam, just 2 foot 1 of draft, 13,600 pounds dry, heavy enough for blue water, light enough for shallow inlets. Joystick piloting on 3 outboards comes standard. Skyhook Autopilot holds station while you rig. Optional Seakeeper 3 gyro flattens the ride at rest. A dive door drops portside. A modular cockpit reconfigures from fishing platform to lounge, and the entire hull is foam cored. Whaler Unsinkable by certification. 1 full cabin below, air conditioned. A private head with a separate stand-up shower. A V-berth that converts to a dinette, and 45 gallons of fresh water. Bottom line, the 350 Realm is for the owner-operator who fishes 3 days a week and runs to the Bahamas on the 4th. Versatility without the compromise. For the full spec sheet, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.